Toothless when he got shot down by the dragon. Come on. I think he has some No! I thought his name was Gogin. Did it get any more cracked?
No, it's still cracked. No, that's just that even at the beginning.
So we are making an egg drop to like simulate and experiment with parachutes.
Yeah.
This is our egg drop thing. It's a little capsule with padding at the bottom and 2 big parachutes.
And these little masks are stabilizers to keep this crate not fall over. And we didn't block the part so that it goes in, so the egg fell out and
On the stairs while we were it fell out on the stairs while we were moving it. And also, we need to put some more padding because when it landed, it added a little bit of an impact mark.
Some of the modifications we think we might make are adding another parachute and adding some more cushioning to fit the Mircobit better. So what we added to the parachute was we used like silver bubble wrap and I don't know what you call this, and some thin cloth to capture air so it'll go down more slowly. And in here we put like bubble wrap and peach wrap and like cotton. And we also put like straws on it so it would bounce more when it lands. And then we put some more peach wrap on the outside so the straws wouldn't fall off and ruin our cushioning.
and it needs a lot of cushion because if there was no cushion and we dropped it off, there would be a 98% chance that it would break.
It needs to be like covered on every single side so the egg can't slip out and it can't break on one side. Yeah, the top needs to be covered, but it also needs to open so that we can put our egg in. Yeah, and it needs also a lot of padding.
Okay, so you'll need 2 microbits, you'll need a laptop, you'll need a trusty connector so that we can transfer our programs to the microbits. Okay.